Hello people, this is Guru and we are going to study about number system and their types. So let's start. There are two types of number system. First is non-positional number systems and second is positional number system. Non-positional number systems counts with their fingers, stones and pebbles. It is difficult to perform arithmetic operations. Non-positional number systems have no zero. It is difficult to calculate large numbers. Example of non-positional number system is the Roman number system. Positional number systems. Finite number systems of symbols to represent any numbers. Symbols and its positions defines a number. In positional number system, finite number of symbols to represent any number and it have four types: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Let's see the types of number system. So there are four types of positional number system or number systems, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system contains 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Same as binary number system contains 2 digits 0 and 1. Octal number system contains 8 digits 0 to 7, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Hexadecimal number system contains 16 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D and F. Decimal number system is commonly used number system. Consists of 10 digits 0 to 9 and its have base 10. Example 107, 78, 98, 2786, etc. Binary number system used in digital computers consist of 2 digits 0 and 1. Its have base 2. Example 100, 101 and 001010. And hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits 0 to 9 and A to F. Its have base 16. Example of hexadecimal number system is D1, CE and 2E6. Octal number system consists of 8 digits 0 to 7. Its have base 8. Examples of octal number system is 6675 and 453 and 655. Here is the example of some decimal, binary and hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, we write 0 as a 0 and in binary 0 as a 000, and in hexadecimal 0 is 0, but 1 in decimal is 1, but in binary 0001, in hexadecimal is 1. Here we are looking 10 in decimal number, but in binary number 10 is 1010, and also it is in hexadecimal number, it is A. In our next lecture, we will study representation of number system. So, for detail, please go to the next lecture. Thank you.